Today I'm going to show you how to manage multiple accounts in Meta Business Suite. So I'm currently in business.facebook.com. This is Meta Business Suite. And on the left-hand side, you can see we have the name of the page that we're currently managing. You can also see that I have quite a few different business portfolios over here. Now, these are all sample business portfolios, and each one of these business portfolios will have a business asset. And a business asset will be a Facebook page or an Instagram account. So over here, you can see that I've got the business portfolio, and if you want to create another business portfolio, go ahead, click on business portfolio over here, give it a name, and then add your first name, second name, and your business email address. Click on create. Now, once you've got this, if you click on any one of them, you will see that you can create your pages inside here. All right. Once you have created your pages, you can then click on that page, perhaps like this, and you'll be able to manage everything of that account in here. This will include an inbox that manages all of your Facebook Messenger messages, as well as comments and reactions on your posts, as you can see over here, and everything else about that account. And all you need to do to switch is click on your profile picture on the top left, and go ahead, look for the business profile that you would like to have managed, and then select the business asset.